Joe is back.
This ain't working. This part is really gonna kick off, so let the beat drop. I'm gonna play a beat, and I think this beat's hard. Let the beat drop right now. Doesn't she care about me? Call the ambulance. Auntie, come out. Call the ambulance.
I can't find it happens when I've got the phone of all. I'm asking them to see the phone.
Grandma! Grandma! Grandma!
Oh, 999.
I'm just. It's okay.
Oh my God! Best neighbor here, Pitney. Don't mess me about. I don't choose kids. It's not even true. When you got everybody sick, nobody can just see you.
Oh, that's funny, wasn't it?
Yeah, you make it funny. If it wasn't funny,
Because I'm. What are you gonna say, Auntie?
I don't say one thing. Because if the ambulance man was here, he come, you alone would have to go to hospital. Because I ain't gonna go with you.
You won't go with me?
No, I
what do you mean?
I'm not.
I'll be coughing on the bed.
No, you go.
I could die.
You're not dead.
Huh?
You're not dead that way.
Alright. Alright, guys. I think that was a good prank.
Yeah. Right, try don't play it, love, because it's not nice. Because you do that, those things.
We only live once, Grandma, and just what accept. I just want to have something. You're not upset with me, are you?
No. But
you're not upset.
You shouldn't do it because it's not nice to do it. Because anything will happen, and you must say, "Oh, I'm sorry, I did such a thing." You don't do things like that.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
It's not my story, no, just you know.
But I'll distract you for a bit, you know.
I know, but there's no joke in that.
Dance, y'all, let me see you dance now.